So hello everyone, welcome to Winning Waves YouTube channel exclusively for competitive exams. So in this particular section we will cover few questions based on Gen Intelligence, which is designed especially for SSC like CGL, Combined Graduate Level, CHSL, Combined Higher Secondary Level, JE, as well as MTS, Junior Engineer, as well as multitasking. Then similarly for RRBs also, Railway Recruitment Board. Okay, so with respect to NTPC, non-technical popular categories, or ALP or JE, Assistant Loco Pilot, or JE, Junior Engineer, or Group C, Group D posts. Okay, similarly for state level exams like VRO, VRA, Panchayati Secretary, Gram Sachivalayam exams, Gram Volunteer exams, etc. Okay, so I have brought few of the questions which can be from this particular topic. Okay, so let's see few of the questions. So let's go with respect to example number 1. So example number 1. So this particular question I have brought from analogy. So analogy. What do you mean by analogy? Means we are supposed to find simultaneous relationship among the elements. Okay, so here sometimes this particular concept topic can be based on English, like synonyms, antonyms, etc. Sometimes it can be based on general knowledge, GK, general knowledge. Sometimes it can be based on numbers which are in mathematics, etc. Okay, sometimes it can be based on letters also. So if you look at the question, this particular thing is based on letters. Okay, so see, HEJ is analogous to JJL. HEG, J is to JJL. That means it should be analogous to OTS. Means whatever the pattern this particular set is being followed should be implementable for this particular set also. Okay, so generally if you see HIJ, generally you can say first J. Similarly, if you see here OPQ, that means first letter should be Q. That means you can eliminate option number 1. Okay, it is not necessary for us to crack each and every element. If you see the remaining options are based on the same element, that means we need to crack the other things also. If you see last letter is U in all the 3 options, that means first and last we can fix. Like if you see JKL, similarly STU, first and last are same in all the remaining 3 options. We need to go for the remaining. Like see, E position is 5, J position is 10, so 5 plus 5 we can say 10, or E, F, G, H, I, J. 4 letters are skipped between E and J. You can go with that format also. So if you see here T, U, V, W, X, so what will be the other element? Means we can say Y. So our answer will be Q, Y, U. So you can ignore second and fourth, third. So what is my answer for this particular question? Means you can say option number 3, Q, Y, U. Right? Okay, then chalo, we'll go with respect to the next question. Right, question number 2. So this question comes on coding and decoding. So here great is called as HSDZU. Player is called as QMZZDS. Music is called as what? Okay, so generally if 2 different words are given, try to check for the common element first. okay, common letter which is present in the given question as well as asked questions. Like if you see G, you cannot find G. R, no. E, no. S, no. E you can find here. E means here he has given as D, means E is coded as D, right? But if you see here, there is no E in the given question, so let's ignore. Let's jump to the next one. A, no. T, no. So whatever the letters that are there in the given question, those are not present in the asked question also. There is no comparison for each and every letter as well. Okay, so if you see, generally G next letter is H, R next letter is S, E previous is D, A previous is Z, and T previous is U. That means we can classify the letters in English alphabet into two types. One is vowels, the other one is consonants. Okay, if it is a vowel, see E previous D, similarly E previous D, A previous Z. That means previous letter according to alphabetical order has been used. And if the word is based on consonants, then next letter, like you see, P next letter is Q, P is a consonant, L next letter M, Y next letter Z, R next letter S, etc. So if I implement for music, M is a consonant, so we know that vowels are 5. What are those means? We can say A, E, I, O, U. So there are 5 vowels in English. So if you implement for music, M is a consonant, so M next letter M, U is a vowel. Okay, so U previous is T, S is a consonant, S next letter is T, I is a vowel, so I previous is H, C is a consonant, C next letter is D. So our answer will be NTT HT. So here the logic is, if the letter word is consisting of consonants, go with the next letter, and if the word is consisting of vowels, go with the previous letter according to the question. Okay, then chalo, let's go for the next question. So question number 3. So this particular question comes from directions and distance. So we know that there are 4 directions. Horizontal line represents east west, vertical line represents north and south. Okay, so let's see what does this data say. Point G is 30 meter east of B. Okay, so B to the east of B, so always come in reverse. So point G is 13 meter east of B, that means to the east of B by 30 meters G is present, so always come in reverse. So B to the east of B, east means this side, so let me draw a bit bigger. G is there, and the distance between these two points is 30 meters, which is 20 meter to the north of A. So here which is referring to the person beside that keyword, so which is referring to the point called B. So B is 20 meter north of A, means to the north of A by 20 meters B should be present. So to the north of A by 20 meters the point B is present, right? Then F is 16 meter west of E. F is 16 meter west of E. I don't know where E and F are present, so we'll skip that. So this is B. Okay, so it is easy to identify. Then point H is 12 meters south of F. I don't know where H and F are present. Skip. Point E is 10 meters south of G, so you can use this point. Point E is 10 meters south of G, so let's use that point. So let me change the color. So to the south of G, E is present by 10 meters. So we know that parallel lines will be sharing the same distance. So the distance between A and B is 20, implies the distance between G and E is 10. So to the south of G by 10 meters the point E is present. Now as I have got E, we can use the previous point. Point H is 12 meters south of F, I don't know F. Point F is 16 meter west of E. Okay, so let's use this point. Point F is 16 meter west of E. So here I have E. So to the west of E, F is present by the distance 16 meter. We know that this is the parallel line, right? So as total is 30, up to here it is 16, and the remaining portion is 14, provided 14 plus 16 equals to 30, right? Okay, so this is the point called F. Then let's use the next point. Point H is 12 meter to the south of F. So to the south of F, 12 meter, H, 12 meters, 1, 2. So we know that up to here it is 10. Why? Because G and E is 10, this is also 10. Total is 20. Why? Because we know the distance between A and B is 20. That means the excess distance is 2 meters from this point to this point, right? Okay. Then point C is 13 meter east of F. Okay, 13 meter east of F. To the east of F, point C is present by 13. If this is 13, this will be 3. Why? Because total is 16. Okay. Then if point X is exactly between points B and A, exactly between B and A means this is the point called X. That means this is 10, this is also 10. Okay. Then F is in how far and in which direction with respect to X. Okay, the distance between X and F is to be known. X, F. So we know that total is 30. Up to here it is 16, means the distance between X and F is, these two are parallel lines, we can say 14. So the distance between X and F is 14 meters. Similarly, if X, then F is how far and which direction with respect to X, with respect to or from point X. So F is in which direction? From point X. From point X, F is in. So this is towards which direction means we can say this is in east direction, right? So our answer for this particular question is 14 meters east direction, right? Okay, then chalo, let's go for next question. So this question comes under triangles, figures, where we are supposed to say the total number of triangles. Okay, so generally if you see this diagram, how many triangles are there means you can say 1. Similarly, if I put a vertical line in between these two, okay, let me erase once. So how many triangles are there means you can say 1 from this diagram. If I put a vertical line, there are 1, 2 and the bigger one, so 3 triangles. So plus 2 are added, so there are 3 triangles. That means whenever you can find a shape like this, you can find 3 triangles. So if you see here, you can find 3 here. Similarly, you can find 3. Similarly, you can find 3. First go with the basics, then you can go with the remaining things. 3, 3, 3, 3. So total 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 threes. How many means you can say 18. Whenever 2 different diagrams are added, there will be combination triangles also. Okay, like if I trace the points like A, B, C. So ABC is one triangle, means you can use +1 here. Similarly, see this one, C, let me put as D, E. CD is other triangle, CDE, plus one more. Okay, then any other triangles? Any guess? Like if I take the point F here, CPF, similarly it's plus 1. Any other triangles you can find means here CEF plus 1. So 18 plus 4 triangles. So total there are 22 triangles on this particular diagram. Okay, yeah. Chalo, let's go for the next question. So this question comes from logical formation of words. So here we need to find in a meaningful sequence. Okay, so here class admission, result, examination, marking. Okay, so we need to arrange in increasing order or decreasing order according to the sequence. Okay, so we can say that first we will be admitting in a particular college or school or institution. So first you will be admission, which is nothing but 2. Then after taking admission you will be attending the classes, class 1. Then there will be examination after preparation, exam 4, option number. Then result will be at the last, so marking will be done meanwhile, option number 5, and result will be in the last. So our answer is 2, 1, 4, 5, 3. So this is the sequence, right? So let's go for the next question. So this particular question comes from number series. Okay, so 6, 22, 86, 342 and question mark. Okay, so here if you see, these series are gradually increasing. Whenever gradually increasing, then make sure that the syntax that is being used is multiplying pattern. Okay, so just see, we can say 6 4s are 24. If I remove 2, 22. Similarly 22 into 4, 88, minus 2, 86, means into, sorry, 22 into 4, 22 into 4, 22 into 4 is 88, 88 minus 2, 20, 86. Similarly 86 into 4, 24, 2 carry, 4 8s are 32, plus 2, 34, 344 minus 2, 342. Apply the same concept here. 342 into 4, 2 4s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, 4 3s 12, plus 1 carry, plus 1 13. So into 4 minus 2, minus 2, 13, 66. So our answer will be 1366. Okay, then chalo, let's go for next question. So next question based on a sequence set. So here you can say 7, 12, 8. This is also sometimes similar to number series also. Okay, so just by seeing you can say that 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18. So plus 12 and plus 18, I mean plus 5 and plus 6, 12 and 18. So let's see according to the options. 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 6, 9. So this is my answer. You can check for the remaining also. Sometimes there can be two logics. 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 6 is 20, but here is there is no 20, 17 is there. Similarly 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 5, no. 3 plus 3, no, no way at all. Okay, so our answer for this particular question is option number 1, right? So let's go for next question. Then this particular question comes under syllogism. Okay, So with respect to syllogism, you have two different statements. So one is some mom are emotional, all father are emotional. So father will be inside emotional. So all father are emotional and some emotional are mom, or some mom are emotional, both either ways doesn't matter. Now look at first conclusion. All emotional are mom. So the relation between emotional and mom is some, but here he has given as all, so this conclusion is definitely false. Similarly, some emotional are father. So all father are emotional means this part which father are there, these are emotional also, means some father are emotional. So some father are emotional or some emotional are father, both are same, doesn't matter. So this one will be true. So what is our answer means we can say only 2 follows with respect to this particular question, right? Chalo, let's go for the next question. Yeah, so this question again comes from directions and distance. So we know that there are 4 directions: north, south, east and west. Okay, a man is facing towards west, he turns left. So west left is south and west right is north. Okay, remember that. So a man is facing north, he turns, a man is facing west, sorry, not north. He turns to his left and walks 10 meters straight. Okay, so at present he is in this direction. Then he again turns to his right. Go according to the direction of the arrow. So this direction left is this direction left is this. So present he is in south direction. So south right will be west again. So south right side will be west again. And walks 11 meters. At last he turns to his right. So present he is in west direction. West right is north. North 7 meters. Okay. Which direction the man is facing now? So this direction is which direction? North direction. So our answer is north. Okay. So let's go with the next question. So next question also comes from series called number series 82, 77, 72, 67, 62, 57. So this is a repeating series we can say. So if you see alternately 82 minus 10, 72 minus 10, 62, 62 minus 10, 52. That's our answer. Simple, very easy. Similarly, if you see alternately here 77 minus 10, 67 minus 10, 57 minus 10, 47. Or you can say first 2. The difference is minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. So you can say minus 5 is the difference overall. Okay. Then let's go for next question. So this question comes from logical Venn diagrams. Okay. In a group of 75 students, so total there are 75 students, 12 people like only mango. So this you can go with mango. So as the keyword says only, means there are only 12 people who are liking mango. Then 15 like only banana, 21 like only apple, 12 like both apple and mango. Okay, apple and mango. So let me put apple here. So how many people? 12 like both apple and mango. So 12 will be liking both apple and mango. And according to the first sentence, 15 like only, 21 like only apple. Okay, fine. So only apple, 21. Okay, then 15 like only banana. Okay, banana. So let me take this as banana. 15 like only banana. All right. 13 like only orange. Let me take the next color. Yeah, let's go with this color. Okay, so orange. 13 like only orange, fine. 2 like both orange and banana, so 2 like both orange and it. Okay, let's try to count all the things. So 12 plus 12, 24, 24 plus 21, 45, 45 plus 5, 15, 60, 60 plus 13, 73, 73 plus 2, 75. So total is 75. Okay, so if we try to frame the given data according to diagrammatical point of view, our diagram looks like this: mango, apple, banana, orange, right? The difference between the people who like apple and banana, so we need apple and banana in total. So the people who are liking apple are 21 along with this 12. No doubt in this mango is there, but along with mango apple is also there, so that's why we are supposed to do that also. So 21 plus 12, 33. Okay, that is apple. Then banana, so check for banana. 15, 12. No doubt these two are orange, but along with orange they are banana also. So 15 plus 2, 17. So the difference is asking 33 and 17, the difference is 16. So our answer for this particular question is 16, right? Okay, fine. Then let's go for next question. So go for question number 12. So look at this question. So I am putting the data as it is. So let's go for the next question. What is the percentage of students that do not like mango? So how many people are liking mango? 12 plus 12, 24. So mango people are 24. Okay, so what is the total? 75. So we know that the percentage means take the difference. The people who are liking rest of fruits are 75 minus 24. 75 minus 24, the answer is 49. Okay, 49? No. 41? No. How much is it? 75, 24. Let me erase this. 51. 51 people are not liking mango. So he is asking the percentage. So 51 by 75 into 100. Why? Because he is asking percentage. So 25 table 3 times, 25 table 4 times, 3 table 17 times. So 17 4s are 68. So our answer is option number 4, 68. Right? So let's go for the next question based on the same. So let's go for this question. How many students like only one fruit? Only one fruit. So only mango are 12, only apple are 21, only banana is 15, and only orange is 13. 21 plus 12, 33. 33 plus 15, 48. 48 plus 13, 61. So our answer is option number 2, 61. Okay, then let's go for the next question. So next question comes from blood relations. So L is K's sister. So K's sister is L. So these both are belonging to same generation. So K's sister is L, but K can be brother or sister, can't say. Then M is father of K. M is father of K. Is father of K. Indirectly K and L are children of M. N and O are brothers. We don't know who are N and O from this diagram. L is mother of O. L is mother of O. N and O are brothers. N and O are brothers. So how N is related to M. N is related to M. Mother. Mothers. How N is related to M? M. M's daughter is L. L's son is N. So daughter's son, you can say grandson. As there is no grandson, you can put the option as none of these. Okay. Then let's go for the last question. So look at this last question. The word called importance. IMPORTANCE. All the vowels are changed to next letter and consonants are changed to previous letter. Which of the following is fourth from right hand? Right hand starts with E. 1, 2, 3, 4. The letter is A. A is a vowel. So vowels are changed to next letter according to alphabetical order. So A next letter is B. So the answer is option number. As I have given you the options, the answer is B. Okay. So you need not go for the remaining terms. Why? Because here he is specifically asking fourth letter, and again he is not telling to arrange them in alphabetical order. Right. So the answer is B. Okay. So these are the few questions that we can expect from general intelligence. So in the next class, let me cover some other questions which is purely based on general intelligence, which are especially exclusively utilized for the exams which I have mentioned you earlier. Okay. So thank you. Keep visiting our channel and wish you good luck for the future exams that are being asked. Okay.